If you've ever had knee pain, you know how it can limit your life. Doctors can do much to ease that pain, from medicines to physical therapy. But when all options have been exhausted, it's time to face a knee replacement. LewisGale Hospital Montgomery recently announced that it is performing the first CT-free, robotics-assisted, full knee replacement in Virginia using a new surgical system. Orthopedic surgeon John Vallivas uses a robotic probe to see exactly where and how the knee implant will be installed. The 3D images created aid surgeons with precise positioning of the new knee components.
Well, this is done in the operating room at the time of surgery. Once we've made an incision, we're able to capture an actual map of the patient's knee at the level of the bone.
This map, along with computers and the skill of the surgeon, allow for precise placement of the implant that will give the knee proper alignment after surgery. Once it's known where the implant needs to be installed, the second part of the robotic system is used to precisely make the anchor points in the bone. The system works like an invisible fence, making sure bone is removed only in precise spots. This kind of accuracy makes for a far more successful surgery.
Because we're able to put this in and balance the knee better on a more accurate and precise basis on every patient, these should last 40 to 50 years.
Using technology like this makes shorter recovery time, increased mobility, and will allow patients a better quality of life at work and leisure. LewisGale Montgomery CEO Alan Fabian knows cutting-edge technology like this is right at home in southwestern Virginia.
I think the use of this type of technology fits very nicely into the New River Valley and into the Roanoke Valley. With the Corporate Research Center and Virginia Tech continue to expand, this type of technology is going to fit nicely into our community.
As high-tech medical advancements continue to make their way into healthcare, LewisGale continues to be committed to bringing the safest, most beneficial tools to help physicians care for our patients. In Blacksburg, Virginia, I'm David Hungate.